So once we see that NFT got popular, the first question we ask ourselves is, where will evolution take us? And the answer is, you will want to have a lot of added properties to these NFT tokens. So for example, NFT gives you certain rights, but you might want to subdivide these rights, like the right to display it and the right to use it in a project. You might want to divide it. You might want to use that right to derive new NFT tokens too.
Yeah.
So like one way to derive it is if you have a duck, then you might want to have it colored in different ways, and these are all originated from the same piece of art, which might have value in their own way. Or that you might divide that into the usage right as well as the right of the NFT. You might divide it, and you might have a rental right, or you might have a subdivision right. You want to do things to it. So that's a natural way where NFT is going. So we think it's quite natural. The reason we call it an alchemy is because we do magic to NFT and make it into something else, which potentially have more value, or a number of something else, which has a lot of new properties. The project is in its relatively early stage. We have a working example of that, which is to add autograph to it, which is already online and people are using it. We get a lot of good feedback. You mentioned that we have backing, we have prominent investors such as Mark Cuban in the game in the early stage. But I think it's more of a meeting of minds happening here. That he sees that, okay, if we are here, where are we going to be there, next step? And I think he agrees with what we are seeing, that NFT is going to have more features, and then to have more derived rights and derivations itself, and functions like adding autograph. So we are working towards that direction. What will come out of that is going to be a cluster of smart contracts exploring different ways of using NFT tokens. And it goes quite well with TokenScript as well, because we are going to add a token layer to it through TokenScript technology. So I'm really looking forward to see how this function-rich token is going to play the role in the ecosystem.